안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. Hey everybody. So in today's lesson we're going to learn about the fruits and vegetables. Okay, so fruits is 과일 and vegetables 채소. So fruits and so we say 과일과. So 과 is and. So 과일과 채소. Okay, so our first fruit or vegetables also is a fruit. Apple. Apple in Korean we say 사과. 사과. Actually, another definition for 사과 is actually apologize. Really apologize. Apologize an apple. Wow. But for now, it's fruit, so it 사과 is apple. Okay. Apple. 사과. Okay. Next fruit. Pear is 배. 배. We did learn in previous lessons. I think it was the body part. 배 was actually stomach. And I did mention that 배 is also is the meaning is pear for fruit. So yes, here we are. Pear is 배 in Korean. Okay. Strawberry. Yeah, strawberry is 딸기. 딸기. 딸기 is strawberry. Okay. Next one. Next fruit. Peach. Peach is in Korean is 복숭아. 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 Okay? Peach. 복숭아. Alright, next fruit. Tangerine is 귤. 귤. Korean 귤 is really famous, especially the one from Jeju Island. Yeah, it's a really beautiful place. 귤. I actually lived there for about 4 years. 귤. Tangerine. 귤. 귤. Okay. Next fruit is orange. And I think I did mention this in a previous lesson. Orange, and in Korean it's just 오렌지. 오렌지. Orange. 오렌지. Okay, next one, lemon. 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 lemon in Korean. lemon. lemon. Next one is watermelon. watermelon, 수박. 수박. 수박 is watermelon. And so I guess after watermelon would be melon. Yes, melon is melon. 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 It's the same word but pronounced in Korean way. Melon, melon. Okay, melon. And the Korean melon. Yes, if you do happen to chance to come to Korea, try the Korean melon. It's really good. So the name is 참외, 참외, and the Korean melon. Yes, do try that. One of my favorite fruit. Okay, so let us review. Um, the fruit that we mentioned is 사과 was apple, 배, pear, 딸기 for strawberry, 복숭아, peach, 귤, tangerine, 오렌지, orange, lemon, lemon, 수박, watermelon, melon, the melon, and the Korean melon, 참외. Okay, wonderful. Moving on to the next fruit, 무화과, which is fig. So fig is called 무화과. 화과, 무화과, not 무화과, okay? It's O-A together. So 무화과, fig. Next one is grape. Grape is called 포도. 포도. Okay, grape, 포도. Mango is mango. Mango. Mango is called mango in Korean. Okay? All right. Next one, pineapple is 파인애플. 파인애플. Pineapple, Korean, pineapple. Pineapple. Sounds almost the same. Okay. Next fruit, banana, banana. Banana is banana. Banana. Okay. Na is actually means me, so like ba me. No, okay, that was not so funny. Okay, ba na banana. Okay. Next one, walnut. Okay. Walnut is 호두, 호두. Walnut, 호두. Chestnut, 밤. Chestnut, 밤. 밤 is also, it means night. You know, morning, night. Yes, that night. So, but here it means chestnut, 밤. So, for tongue twister purposes, we sometimes the Koreans say do like, oh, 밤에 밤을 까먹는다. So pretty much, I am eating chestnut at night. Okay, we'll cover that once we get more familiar with the Korean phrases and sentences. Okay, awesome. Next one, acorn. Acorn is 도토리. 도토리. Follow after me. 도토리. 도토리. Okay, that's a corn. 도토리. Next one, almond. Almond is similar, but is almond. 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 Okay? Alright, so let's review the second part. So we did 무화과, which was fig, 포도, grape, mango, pineapple, banana, 호두, walnut, 밤, chestnut, 도토리, corn, and almond. Good. Okay, moving on to, I guess now it's more vegetables. Cabbage. In Korean, we say 양배추. Once again, 양배추. Cabbage. 양배추. Okay. Next one, lettuce. Okay, lettuce is 양상추. Lettuce, 양상추. Cabbage, 양배추. 양상추. Okay. And the next one, radish. 무. Radish is 무. Sounds like cows crying. Moo. Radish. Okay. And next one, pepper, is 고추. Pepper is 고추. Pepper. Sweet pepper, also you could call it paprika, is 피망. Sweet pepper or paprika, however you call it. Okay, next one, potato. Potato is 감자. In Korean, 감자, potato. 감자. Okay, 감자. And sweet potato, 고구마. 고구마 is sweet potato. Next, tomato is 토마토. Tomato, tomato. Okay? Next one. Carrot is 당근. 당근, 당근, carrot. Okay, next one. corn, 옥수수, 옥수수, 옥수수 is corn. Okay, good. Let us review those 10 vegetables we covered. 양배추, what was that? Cabbage, good. 양상추, sounds similar to 양배추, but it's lettuce. 무, radish. 고추, pepper. 피망, sweet pepper. 감자, potato. 고구마, sweet potato. Tomato in Korean. Tomato. 당근, carrot. And 옥수수, corn. Wonderful. Okay, a few more. Okay, garlic, 마늘. Garlic is 마늘. 마늘 is garlic. Okay, next one. Ginger, 생강. Ginger is 생강. 생강 is ginger. Okay. Well, if you say 생각, that's to think, thinking. So be careful. 생강. Both has iung for the final consonant. Okay. 생강. That's ginger. Okay. Spring onion. 파. Spring onion is 파. 파. Okay. And we have 양파, which is onion. Onion, 양파. 양파 is onion. Okay, good. Oh, I'm getting hungry. Next one. 빈, 콩. 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 콩 is bean. Okay, next one. Peanut, 땅콩. 땅콩. 땅콩 is peanut. Okay, next one. Mushroom, 버섯. 버섯. 버섯 is mushroom. 버섯. Okay. Ginseng. Ginseng, it's really good for your body. Is 인삼. 인삼. 인삼 is ginseng. Wonderful. Okay, so we have covered another 10. Oh, it's actually 8. So we'll go one by one. 마늘, garlic. 생강, ginger. 파, spring onion. 양파, onion. 콩, bean. 땅콩, peanut. 버섯, mushroom. And finally, 인삼, ginseng. Okay, and that's it for all the vegetables and fruits that I've prepared. I mean, there are plenty of more fruits and vegetables out there, and if you're curious of some other vegetables and fruits that I've not mentioned in this lesson, then go Google it, check it out. I'm sure there's a word for Korean for the fruits and vegetables that you want to know about. Okay, so well, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you, and we'll see you next time. 감사합니다. 수고하셨어요. Bye.